Hey guys, how are you? It's your boy K2 and I am back with a bang of another C-drama dose. So in this video, I am going to talk about Yang Yang. He is one of the most adorable C-drama actor who's been loved by many of us. Most of the C-drama fangirls are just crazy about him, and why not? Even I am so. So in this video, I have come up with a list of top 7 C-dramas of Yang Yang that are a worth watch and a treat to watch. Before starting this video, I just want to mention something that I have made this kind of a specific video on Sing Shaolin, so please consider to watch that video as well. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. At number 7, my adorable husband aka my stupid cute husband. Lee Sha-tao and Yang Kang are very much in love with each other. Their lives have been shocking since the beginning of the marriage. The parents of both parties do not recognize such a rushed marriage, and both husbands and wife have a good job and a plan to start their own future. Liu's appearance has changed everything. In the competition between Liu and Yang Kang, Lee Xiaotao finally realized who she loves. So basically, it's a love triangle. At number 6, The Chronicles of a Town Called Xi'an. Set during the Republican era, the story tells of a young girl by the name of Du Shunxiao, a smart young girl who uses her strange but unique ability to deduct clues and solve mysteries through the use of tarot cards. However, one day she decides to return to Jiangnam with her friend Huang Mengqing. As the Huang family accepts Chun Xiao as one of their own, Mr. Huang proposes the idea of marriage between his son Moru and Chun Xiao. Though she is not particularly attracted to Moru, she continues to live with the Huangs until strange things begin to occur that endanger her life. It is during her difficult times that she notices Huang Muyun, the youngest son of the Huangs, as the two discover their feelings for each other. Secrets regarding Chun Xiao's true identity as well as the dark nature of Mr. Huang's past deeds are unraveled. At number 5, Martial Universe Season 1 and Season 2. This is a drama adapted from the novel of the same name by Tiankan Tudok. It is a story that talks about Lingdong, a child from a small village who is not favored by his family. By chance, Lingdong obtains a mysterious artifact that is coveted by many clans in the martial world. Because of this artifact, Lingdong is approached by many people of different clans and is forcefully involved in various events of the martial universe. I just want to share some of my personal experience. I had so many expectations from this drama, and the few beginning episodes were just mind-blowing, and in the end this drama just literally blew my mind. I was just like, where do I have to smash my head? This drama just fucked me up. This drama, I was just so confused that I have to add this drama or not on my list, because this drama has very mixed opinions and views, and if I'm gonna tell you my honest opinion, just skip this drama because you're just gonna smash your head at the end. It's my just personal opinion, you could just try for yourself. At number 4, The Wolverine Girl. 10 years ago, in the town of Anyang, the origin of Yan Wudao martial arts world champion Hugh Shannon was accused of doping and his prestigious title was stripped. He became a disgrace to the town and tarnished their name in the arts of Yan Wudao. The story of Tornado Girl is set in the present and revolves around his adopted daughter and student Ki Baikao in her journey of becoming a true Yan Wudao martial artist, fighting her way to the top and reclaiming her teacher's innocence. Along the way, she encounters friends such as her stoic and selfless Yan Wudao senior Rubai, who is obviously Yang Yang, the warm and caring but mysteriously saluted medic Yu Chuan, and flirty, playful Fang Tinghao with a hidden agenda. Together they learn, grow, compete, fight, love for their dreams. This drama is so good and the supporting cast is awesome. And you're gonna find here your Steven Tang, whom you have might seen in a recent drama. Go ahead. At number 3, The Lost Tomb. This drama is an adaptation of Kennedy Sue's novel series Grave Robber Chronicles. 50 years ago, a group of Changsha grave robbers dug out manuscripts of the location of treasures from varying states. But an encounter with an undead rendered almost the whole group dead. In the present, the grandchild of the sole survivor, Wu Shi, discovers a secret within his grandfather's notes. Together with his third uncle, Wu Shangxing, and a few other experienced tomb robbers to search for the treasure, but no one expected was to find the intriguing mysteries that accompanied their tomb robbing adventure. Just who was the owner of that tomb? Will they be able to find the real coffin? And just where will these puzzles lead the group? And for this, you have to watch The Lost Tomb. It really is a fantastic drama. At number 2, The King's Avatar. In the multiplayer online game Glory, Yeshu is well known as a textbook level expert and a top tier player. Due to a series of circumstances, he was forcefully expelled out of his professional team. After leaving the pro gaming scene, he resides at an internet cafe employed as one of the managers. When Glory launches the 10th server, he throws himself into the game once more, equipped with the 10 years of gaming experience, memories of the past, and an incomplete self-made weapon. His journey back to the top begins. I'm just gonna share you something that I just don't like this type of gaming dramas, but after seeing these dramas, this drama impacted my viewpoint. This drama was literally like a hero coming from trash and becoming the top. That was just fantastic. So here comes the time for number 1 drama. And even if you are a fool like me, I think you have guessed which drama is it. Yeah, you are right. It's 2016's masterpiece Love O2O. It is one of my most favorite C-dramas of all time. Why this drama is so good? There is no love misunderstandings, no love triangles, just a sweet and simple love story, and you're gonna enjoy the hell out of it. Shaunai is a gaming expert who, courtesy of his basketball skills, academic excellence, swimming talent, and gaming company presidency, also happens to be the most popular student on the campus. When he first came across the gorgeous computer science major Bei Weiwei, the infinitely talented Wunderkind immediately falls in love. But it's not the Weiwei's look that he notices, it's the ridiculous mastery with which she is commanding her guild and owning everyone in an online multiplayer game that makes her impossible to forget. Now Shaunai must use his skills both in real life and online to capture the adorable but dorky Weiwei's heart. But does their love have the XP to exceed, or will this relationship never level up? I'm just gonna give you a little spoiler. This is no. Just watch the drama Love O2O if you haven't. What are you waiting for? I think I have to be a little serious while making these kind of videos. So that was it, guys. The video ends here. I really do hope that you have liked this list of Young Young's drama. Don't forget to comment down below your favorite drama of Young Young's, and if you have any other favorite C-drama actor or actress you wanna get a video like this, a specific videos on their dramas, just comment down below. I'm gonna try to make this kind of video. And if you have watched the video till now, just give a thumbs up to the video, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to Drama YT, and yet you haven't followed me on the Instagram handle, just follow me there as well. The handle is dramayt.k2. You can message me there, ask me anything, I will just reply you instantly. So I will see you later. As always, your K2. Love, peace and hugs. It's really been a pleasure. Thank you.
कभी स्कूल के बस्ते